Last month, the Gutierrez-Aguon team filed nearly identical lawsuits in both Superior and District Courts seeking to overturn the certification of the rival Republican team of Calvo-Tenorio as governor and lieutenant governor-elects. This morning, it was standing room only inside the Superior Courtroom, but the complaints about the way the election was conducted were not heard. Instead, Judge Vern Perez voluntarily recused himself from consideration of the case. The court session was over within 10 minutes. Before the judge had entered the courtroom, Gutierrez's attorney David Lujan set the tone, joking to the packed crowd, "We're all here on a case that does not exist anymore, at least not in Superior Court." That's because opposing counsel Cesar Cabot, who represents the Guam Election Commission, filed a notice of removal yesterday.
That's right. As you know, we filed a removal action which effectively transfers the case to federal court. So all of the cases have been consolidated before the district court. And the GAC will vigorously defend the integrity of the elections.
Lujan declined comment after this morning's hearing.
No, I got nothing to say.
But yesterday, it was Lujan who filed a motion seeking Judge Perez's recusal because members of the judge's family actively campaigned for the rival GOP team of Calvo-Tenorio. But Judge Perez did not rule on Lujan's recusal motion or even address Cabot's notice of removal to district court. The judge merely remarked that he could add to the list of potential conflicts that might lead to questions about his impartiality. And therefore, Perez said he would voluntarily recuse himself.
I'm very happy about the judge saying that this is a very serious matter and that, it's not going to be easily dismissed just like that based on tactics. That's what I got today.
No, it's not over yet, and we'll see exactly where it goes from here.
GEC attorney Cabot hopes it gets dismissed. Within an hour after the conclusion of this morning's Superior Court hearing, he had filed a motion for dismissal of the election lawsuit in federal district court, where this case will be decided.
There are rules, and when you don't follow the rules, then you stand the risk of having your complaint dismissed. And the GEC is contending that the plaintiffs did not follow Guam law when it filed its election contest. And as such, it deprives the court of subject matter jurisdiction. As a matter of law, this case should be dismissed. And this is an argument that we'll be making before the federal court.
No judge has been appointed to hear the case in district court yet, and no hearing date on the case has been set yet. Kevin Kerrigan, PNC News.